Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to download and install Google Camera on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now from here, just search GCam. Now from here, just open this website. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Download Now. Now from here, tap on Google Camera 9.6. Now from here, just scroll down. Just tap on all other Android phones. Now from here, just scroll down and download this version, the GCam 8.8.224.10. Now from here, just tap on the download link to download the link. Now from here, just wait a few seconds for the Google Camera to download. Now from here, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Update and tap on Open. Now from here, as you can see, we have successfully installed Google Camera on our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can install Google Camera on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.